Most important, number 7, is that in a lyric essay, you can employ one of these styles or all of these styles. It doesn't matter how you arrange the lyric essay so long as what you feel you want to express is actually expressed. Like I said, a collage essay is made up of multiple pieces of flash nonfiction. A braided essay might contain elements of prose poetry, flash nonfiction, as well as collage. The idea isn't so much about the pattern or the formula. Whatever you write, we could probably retroactively figure out which style you employed. It's kind of like reverse engineering it. You write a thing and then we trace it back and we see, oh, this is a hermit crab. This is a braided essay. Hey, there's some prose poetry. It doesn't matter how many you choose. Sometimes, though, when you're thinking about what you want to say, you realize, I've got like a 5-page limit and you have a 50-page thing that you want to produce. So sometimes it's nice to actually keep in the back of your mind the format you want to explore. That way you stick to it. Sometimes it's easier. You have a roadmap. You want to get from here to Mount Rushmore, you get a roadmap. You get Google Maps. You figure out where you're going. The same can be said for essay writing. You don't want to get lost. You don't want to drive around in circles and never get to Mount Rushmore. But whichever styles you employ, keep in mind to help keep you sane as you're writing this and focused and driven and laser keen focus on what it is you want to say. Remember that no matter how many styles you employ, chances are the majority will be one style. You might have a hermit crab essay that employs prose poetry and flash nonfiction, and though 49% of it is those other styles, ultimately 51% of it is hermit crab. 48% of it might be a collage essay, so long as the other forms are, less. You want to just add up all your pieces, line them up, and see which one seems to dominate. And that's one way to keep a focus on what it is you're trying to say and the way you're trying to say it. I hope these little videos helped a little bit. This is stuff we would have spent weeks talking about it in class, and it's hard to do somewhere. So our last real week. But if you have any questions, reach out to me. As I mentioned in the first video, draft is due Sunday. Comments are due back to your groups on Tuesday. Final essay is due on Thursday with a quick turnaround for your grades on Monday, the following Monday after finals week. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, good luck writing. Be well. Take care of yourselves. I hope you're healthy in both body and spirit. And I will look forward to reading what you have in draft form so I can comment on it during the workshop period. Thanks.